Hello guys, I am your auto detective and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am here to give you a major update about a game. So guys, as we all know, PUBG is no more and we were expecting a Indian game like OG or something like that. But now here we are with a new name, a new game and new Indian game, that is Fauji. Fauji is basically a Indian developed game, so watch the full video till the end. I will be sharing every update of this game in a detailed way, as this is a brand new upcoming game and as this is a competitor game of PUBG or a game of the same kind, the name of which is Fauji. So guys, let's start the video without doing any late. So guys, in this time, as soon as you get a news that Indian government banned 118 apps including PUBG Mobile and Lite, as soon as they removed from Play Store and App Store, we get a uh, post from Akshay Kumar regarding the launch of 4G in Instagram, as he writes there that this game is going to be launched very soon and the name of the game will be 4G. The full form of this game will be Fearless and United Guards. So as we can see by its name and posture that we will be getting to see a direct link to the Indian army in this game. I think the theme of this game will be like PUBG as a battle royale game, but by the name of it as likely significant, we will be playing as a Indian army in this game. In Akshay Kumar's post, we can also see that in this game, the player will not only be entertained but also will be educated about the life of a soldier and the sacrifices they do, and more. In fact, this is an action game. There are talkings that this game will be an online multiplayer game, and the main thing, as the game will be an online multiplayer, and the main thing about this game, that is that the 20% of this game's total net worth revenue will be given or donated to the Indian Army's Veer Trust, and that is a very good initiative from the creators and developers of this game, and that creates a patriotic feel among the players. And there is a very major announcement that came out, is as this game will be completely developed by a Indian game production company, that is Encore Games. That is a basically a Bangalore based company. There are all speculations, means everyone are speculating that how the 4G will be basically, because there are no major information. There is only a poster we get to see here and nothing else, neither any informations available. We can see here that we can only know the final name of this game and till what it will be launched. So we only know these two things clearly. We even don't know a confirmed launch date of this game. Basically, if they are saying it will be launched soon, then it may be 1 week, 2 weeks, a month, or a max of 1.5 month, because if more than that, that is not said to be soon. So I think we are talking between September or October as a time frame. And there is also an update that the poster of this game is copied from the another game. As you can see in the photo I will be giving here, they are also telling as they have copied the poster in the same way, the game will also be copied. But exactly in this photo is a stock image, as you can see, and can be used by any brand or anyone. And if you use it as a poster, it ain't a big deal, as many brands do it. It's not a bad thing done by 4G creators. Basically, even major brands do it. So it's not a fully needed to be designed in-house design. So what I think that it is probably just a poster to promote 4G, and as not the game is programmed was, if it's just initial towards it. So now I am not gonna comment anything about the poster before I can see the game in real and what features is it going to give. and how is it going to feel. And now if we start talking about the Encore games in here, basically in front the name of Vishal Gondal comes out. And if you don't know anything about him, then here are some information about him. There was a company before named India Games. As before the smartphones came, we had basic keypad phones as Nokia or some other. These kind of phones were getting to see games in them. The some of the games created by India Games were really popular, and basically Vishal Gondal was running this company or this business, that of which he sold to the Disney. And now as you can see, he have a link with the Encore games. Then we can see that those trials are going right, but still will this Fauji will be a dashing rival to the PUBG, and how its outcome will be, we got to see that. And there are also doubts, what if it will be a multiplayer game or a normal game. Maybe it will be a PUBG themed game, so that we should wait. But it's a jovial thing about the 20% that will be donated to the Veer Trust from the net revenue of the Fauji. It's a very big thing. And the second thing is that we should give them a chance, as everyone are telling that there will be nothing good in this game, or as if it is a copy of some other games or somewhat. We should give them a chance, as it's an initiative from our country developers. Instead of promoting the apps from foreign origin, we should promote the apps that are made in our country. And as they have told, 4G will be launched very soon. It is going to be a mobile game, as we have been told already. And after the PUBG ban, this game is here to fulfill PUBG's void. So this is all that we know about the 4G. But according to me, we should let the developers and we should also encourage them to make 4G better than PUBG, than to demotivate them. And we should all try that the PUBG rival 4G will give a dashing response to the ones who were playing PUBG, and give them a replacement of PUBG. So this is all the updates I was willing you to give about 4G until here. So let's wait and see how the 4G is going to turn out, and I'll keep you updated about this topic. So this is it, guys. And don't mistake that these clips that are playing here are from 4G. I just used those clips, so the video should not be so blank. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell notification so you get notified of the updates fast. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like for this video. So okay guys, thanks for watching again. I'll meet you in my upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye.